Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. We are taping this as of the 7 o'clock hour. Downpours and some thunderstorms moving through right now. Your neighborhood may have some lightning and thunder. So this is going to continue throughout the evening up until about midnight. So let's get started. It's a busy weather evening as we well, look at our lightning tracker. Now these are actual cloud-to-ground lightning strikes. The white icons represent the most recent cloud-to-ground lightning strikes coming in offshore towards the coastline. So the concentration at this hour, now we're taping this as of 7:15 in the evening, is along the bay and the south shore. But these are advancing up to the north. Let me remove my mug here, and it looks like you got a couple of strikes out towards northeast Connecticut. Just got a phone call from a weather spotter telling me that they could hear some rumbles of thunder in the northwest part of the state. But you can really see the concentration is in the southern half of the state right now. And this is all advancing to the north. So if you don't have any rain or thunder yet, it'll be arriving shortly. Rain and some thunder down in Narragansett right now. The fog has actually lifted, so that tells me, in fact, it was thick fog here about half hour, 45 minutes ago. So that tells me that the warm front has passed through the south shore. So we have a warm front coming through. It's one reason why we have some thunderstorms. And what will happen is the temperature will actually go up this evening. So it's not out of the question now till midnight for the temperature to actually jump up to around 60 degrees. So here's the deal as far as what we're tracking. A rainy, stormy night or evening. Heavier downpours, some embedded, strong thunderstorms. Saturday still looks like a drier day, even though there'll be a brief shower or sprinkle. I think a majority of Saturday is actually dry, though it is windy and cool, and more than likely more clouds than sun, unfortunately. And it's been a very wet April. Here we go again on Sunday. Not so much during the morning, but more so by afternoon and evening. We're bringing back some showers. So the threat tracker, we have it elevated for obvious reasons because of the thunderstorms and downpours. There may be some minor street flooding. Some storms could be locally strong. So we're going to, I just heard, I can just hear thunder here in our studios in East Providence. So I can hear the rumble in the weather center right now in East Providence. So it's coming through. And you can see on a different perspective, excuse me, forgive my cough as these allergies continue. You see the lightning strikes moving on shore right now. Here's a wider view, and the precipitation extending all the way down to Long Island, New York, and just offshore. So all of this moving through this evening up until about the midnight hour. Here's the wider perspective, and you can see there's more activity. In fact, one thing I wanted to point out, around it was about 2:30 this afternoon, actually had a tornado warning in northeastern Connecticut around 2:30. The Doppler radar indicated that there might have been some rotation around 2:30 this afternoon near Storrs, Connecticut, and then that whole hail-producing thunderstorm moved up into southern New Hampshire. That was again around 2-3 o'clock this afternoon. No confirmation of a tornado, but it was a strong thunderstorm. You see more activity out towards the mid-Atlantic, and that'll be moving through, there it is, look at that, moving offshore of Atlantic City, New Jersey. That'll be moving through this evening and overnight. You can see on the Futurecast that precipitation still on top of us, midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, but then notice the bulk of it pulling away on Saturday morning. So let me get in real close here. We'll walk you through it hour by hour. And you can see 7 o'clock this evening, the orange and red colors indicating downpours and thunder. 11 o'clock at night, still some downpours and thunderstorms. Temps in the 60s. And then by tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., there may be a lingering shower, but most of the heavier rain is over. A little bit of sun, but mainly cloudy on Saturday afternoon. A few blips of green indicating maybe a quick isolated kind of a 10-minute rain shower, but mainly cloudy and dry. Actually, Saturday evening, Saturday night is clear, but very cool. Temps in the 40s. So we are stormy this evening as the temperature actually jumps to 60 by 11 o'clock, if not sooner. And for tomorrow morning, increasing wind and drier temps in the low 50s. The implosion at Pinpoint, looks like the rain ending for that, though the wind picking up. And then here we are Saturday afternoon. It's mostly cloudy. I think any sunshine would be limited. Again, just a brief isolated shower, but mainly dry. And then on Sunday, here we go again. Not so much Sunday morning, but by Sunday afternoon, we bring back another round of rain. So busy this evening with downpours and some thunderstorms, and then drier on Saturday, despite the chance of an isolated shower. Keep it here as we continue to track these thunderstorms. If there are any warnings, we'll certainly notify you through your mobile apps.